Hello friends, we have studied that when the vibrations are produced in an air column in an open pipe, the antinodes are formed at the end of the open end of the pipe and at the closed end there is node. So, antinode is not exactly at the open end but a little distance outside the open end, and therefore we have to add the end correction. So, the value of E, how to determine practically, that we are going to see today, the practical determination of end correction. For this purpose, we are first considering the case of pipe which is open at both ends. So, see here we have taken the two pipes of same diameter and different length L1 and L2. For a pipe open at both ends, velocity is given by twice NL. So for first pipe it will be 2 N1 L1 and second pipe it will be equal to N2 L2. As the velocity is constant, we can equate this 2. Now here, the end correction should be added at this end and this end. So here we will add L1 plus 2E. This L1 is replaced by L1 plus 2E, and here L2 is replaced by L2 plus 2E. End correction is 0.3 into diameter, and this diameter is same for both the tubes, therefore it is just written as 2E. Now expand this, 2 will get cancelled. N1 L1 plus 2 N1E equal to N2 L2 plus N2 2 N2E. Okay, then we will shift the term N1 L1 minus N2 L2, which is equal to 2 N2E minus 2 N1E. This term is shifted toward this. Now here N1 L1 minus N2 L2 is equal to 2E into bracket N2 minus N1. Here E and 2 are taken out, and from this we get E is equal to N1 L1 minus N2 L2 divided by 2 into bracket N2 minus N1. Again here L2 is greater, so you can interchange the terms. N2 L2 minus N1 L1 divided by 2 into bracket N1 minus N2. You will interchange these terms, you can interchange. So here end correction for the pipe open at both ends is given by N2 L2 minus N1 L1 divided by 2 into bracket N1 minus N2. Now this is the case for a pipe open at both ends. You will be having a numerical to solve using this formula, or you can have a objective question, or just for a 1 mark, how to determine end correction, state the formula. Now let us see the case of for a pipe closed at one end. Closed at one end. Again we are going to consider the two pipes of same diameter but different lengths. Now here will be the nodal point and here will be the antinode, here will be the node and here will be antinode. Now if the L1 is the length, L2 is the length, end correction will be added to only one end. So for pipe closed at one end, we have the velocity of sound is V is equal to 4 NL. So you can get 4 N1 L1 is equal to 4 N2 L2. बघा परत इथे 4 कॅन्सल होतील. नाउ हियर L1 is replaced by L1 plus E. E for only one end, and here N2 into bracket L2 plus E. Again expand N1 L1 plus N1 E is equal to N2 L2 plus N2 E. Shift the terms common. N1E minus N2E is equal to N2 L2 minus N1 L1. Take E common, so N1 minus N2 which is equal to N2 L2 minus N1 L1, and you can have E is equal to N2 L2 minus N1 L1 divided by N1 minus N2. So this is the formula for the determination of end correction using the pipe closed at one end. Just for a pipe open at both ends, you have the 2 in the denominator. Everything is same. So this is the determination practically and mathematically. It can be asked in the question, but you have to remember this formula for the applications or to solve the examples. Okay, thank you.